Y'all, alright, what's up? Listen, I got a confession to make. I was planning on filming this video way earlier in the day and I just I lost track of time, okay? I forgot because I had so much going on today. But I'm right now in Highland Park. We have a music show. We had a full day into a music show. I wanted to like show y'all the full day and then lead into the music show, but it's okay. I got a 20-25 minute set with Sofar Sounds. It's so fun. I've performed under the Sofar Sounds umbrella a bunch. It's a really cool, intimate setting. They kind of provide the audience for you. They provide the venue, the vibes, and all you have to do once you get in their community is just show up and do your thing. So there's 3 artists playing tonight. I'll be going second, and I'm stoked. A little nervous, stoked. I haven't done like my own music set in quite a bit. I mean, if y'all saw last time, I DJ'd for my homie Morris's show, but I just haven't done my own. So I had to work on some songs. So the interesting thing about all of this is like, this morning I woke up, went to work. I worked from like 9 to 5. During my lunch break, I actually had booked a Pokemon coaching session. So I was like training in Pokemon, the trading card game. And then after work, I had to shower, get ready, do a quick rehearsal, and then rush to Highland Park because it's a little bit far from where I live, it's traffic. But yeah, I rehearsed and went over my thing as much as I possibly could. We will see. I feel good. Whenever I get nervous, I need to ask myself why I'm nervous. I think the reason why I'm nervous is because I want to do well. What I want to do today, and I think the reason I want to do well is because it's been so long that I want the people to come to get their value. But I need to treat this like a stand-up comedian, right? It's not, in the stand-up circuit, it's really like, yo, they're jamming out here. Should I turn? I'm gonna turn. So in the stand-up circuit, it's really all about just getting your reps in, doing your set, trying some new material out. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's my energy tonight. If the material I do tonight works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's my first show in too long. So after this show, I'm actually gonna start figuring out my next show already and then just get back to like the performing music circuit. It really energizes me, really makes me work on more music. So yeah, it's been too long. I think the last time I performed my own music was like 10 months ago. Absurd. Anyway, we got a show tonight. I'm gonna take some footage. Right now I'm just gonna like warm up my voice. I'm gonna get a bottle of water and wish me luck, y'all. I got some homies coming. Like I said, it's been a pretty long time since I've done this, but I'm back in the bubble. Basically what happened was the effort and work of putting on your own show is so exhausting that the only shows I've been doing is when I've been offered and asked to do a show by companies. And when you put your destiny in other people's hands, you don't know what you're gonna get. Sometimes I was doing 2 shows a week, and then I would go months without doing a show because it just depends on the companies and if they want to hire me and when they want to hire me. So I'm putting it back in my own hands. Yeah, I'm in Highland Park, but it feels like New York City. It is popping here right now. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, I'm putting my destiny back in my own hands. So I'm just gonna start running shows again. We gotta, we're here vibing, trying some new hairstyles. So anyway, I'm gonna take some footage of the venue, of the space while it's empty, so y'all can see the vibes. And then when it's done, or during the show, you'll see some footage of the show. And then after, we'll do like a recap. So see y'all in a bit.
Baby, it's like da 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 da.
my height together real quick. Wow. It's been a minute since I did a Sofar. I love Sofars. The vibes here, it's all love, it's just good vibes. Speaking of, since we're here, I can see a lot of people cozied up. I see heads on shoulders. Who here is on a date?
Ooh.
Just raise your hand.
Girl, a friend date, yeah.
Friend date? Y'all raising your hand all shy? Okay. Who here is like in love with someone? Who here is here with someone they love, someone they like? That feels like the first time that just been said right there. We just experienced something beautiful. Cool. I just say that because I do a lot of shows, and Sofar just has such a beautiful, intimate vibe. It's like the perfect place for a date. Everything is all about love and good energy. So just to kind of keep on with that tradition of love, I'm going to play a bunch of breakup songs.
Amazing.
Hey, did you miss me? I know I shouldn't say this, but I've been thinking about you a lot, and I don't know, you've just kind of been on my mind. I feel like I should say I'm sorry, but I also don't want to. I just kind of want to tell you to fuck off, but I also don't want you to go.
Breakup is something, right? Like the stages that you go through, the feelings, the emotions. It's like grieving, but in like a backwards order. So, just want to share with you guys what I was going through in this time of my life. This is the confusion part of that moment. Lately I'm feeling closer than ever. I know it gets better, but whoa, she told me I left her. I thought it was mutual, no. Feeling so lost, started to focus on goals. Instead of globetrotting, shit was draining my soul. Listen, I know it's my purpose, I know that I'm worth it. Just know when I'm working, I go this hard because I know I'm so certain. That might scare you, but the shit is too real. I knew it since I was a kid, and it might sound weird. Metal detectors at 9th grade, how was I supposed to breathe? Was getting beat up for being nerdy. I just wanted to leave. Was playing Pokemon cards at lunch with all of my best friends. Then we got jumped, they took the cards, that shit was a lesson. The person loses his mind, people acting dope, be phony. See, they only hold me's when I got the juice, the squeeze. Now people wanna, all him can't do it, what we gon' see? Get top headed, top man for the ghosty. Check the creps, I mean the homie looking Josie. Contemplating for all the times in. Oh my, he's in his zone, he just might win. Cause he keeps on fiending, but he's still feeling like he's falling. Told you once and you don't believe me. You don't care a bit, you don't care. Man, that's such a real part of the process. It's like, what is happening? I feel like I'm falling. I don't know what left or right is, what up or down is. Man, it's such a surreal thing to go through. So part of this process, this healing process, this grieving process, where it's like some days you feel incredible, some days you feel awful, some days you realize that you don't need that person and your life is actually better without them, and some days you're like, damn, do I? Is it? So this song is in that moment when you're in the relationship and you're just kind of feeling small, like you know you should leave, you know the person's making you feel in some type of way, you kind of break up, but you're just unsure. And this is that moment where you want that confidence boost, you want that cappuccino. Thinking about it now, if I had written this song today, I would have made it more gender neutral, but this song is called Be the Man. And I'm gonna need your help. So I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna say, I just wanna. I'm gonna throw my hands up. Y'all just gotta say, A, be the man, okay? So when y'all see my hands up, say A, and we're gonna try it. Let's do it. I just wanna, hey, be the man, hey, be the man, hey, be the, y'all are incredible. All right. just wanna be the man. Wanna be the man. Wanna be the man. That's what I love so far. That sounds so beautiful. All right, let's keep going then. Let's see what we can do. Listen, I just wanna be the man. Wanna be the man. But it also feels good, you know? Like, you'll hear the beat. You might have to turn that up a tiny bit and we'll see. I gotta move, you gotta move, we got too much to lose. I gotta prove, I do what I do, you acting too brand new. No, I'm not Steve, I'm not Magenta, get a clue, I'm blue. I'm cooking on beats, I take them to school, but not no chord on blue. Give me a second, give me a moment, I got the glow, I gotta hold it, I'm in the booth, and you already know this, yeah, I'm different, give me my, I never quit. Hammer shit, I'm too legit. I got the light with no dick, cause that's just me, I'm lit, nigga. Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? You think he's Spider-Man, but he's not that amazing. So who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? He might just try to swing from buildings, you should watch the pavement. So who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? He might just wanna Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? He thinks he's Spider-Man, but he's not that amazing. Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? He might just try to swing from buildings, you should watch the pavement. Yeah. Yeah. Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? Who gon' save him? He's not that amazing. My favorite type of music, believe it or not, is like 80s music. I listen to 80s music all the time. And I listen to it because I think that the culture was different, especially around men and masculinity. A lot of men were singing in falsetto, crying on records, deeply expressing their love, apologizing like crazy. And I think about some of my favorite records and how life or death everything felt. Even the simplest thing like Cutting Crew, you know, I just died in your arms tonight. That's crazy. Like you met someone and you died in their arms. Or George Michael, I'm never gonna dance again. Can you imagine like meeting someone and going through a situation where like, I'm never gonna dance again for the rest of my life, that's it. Like those type of moments to me, like, I miss getting back to that moment where things were life or death, how you felt about love was everything, or at least you were openly willing to admit that it was everything. So this song is called Broken. This is my version of that.
I'm thinking of you.
Tell me what you want from me. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want from me. I'd rather take my life than to lose you tonight. Lose you tonight. I don't know where you're going, but girl, my heart is broken. Karma's gonna give me a daughter. Hope she take the lessons that I taught her and break the cycle. I done paid the price, though. I hope she don't hate her father. Hallelujah, Holy Father. I don't ask for much, but please look over my daughter. Stuck in this mud, I hope you can get us out of. I tried to make you proud of the things everyone doubted. I fell a little short, but my baby's daughter. Yeah. Thank you. A lot of love. I hear y'all. I hear y'all. I feel y'all. Thank you. I feel seen. Okay. Y'all gonna have to go with me. You might need to lower me, alright? Yeah, okay. We're gonna try this, right? This is incredible. This is incredible. I know you're not ready though. This is incredible. Yes, this is incredible. Yes, I know you're not ready though. This is incredible. This is incredible. Yes, this is incredible. He really thinks he is the best. I'm not sure what you can say to him. Nobody naming him. Nobody rating him. But niggas come save him, cause in the end I'ma go Super Saiyan. This shit is out of the water, but niggas still try to go swimming. Yeah, wait, I'll take so many L's. Only thing left is just swimming. Nigga, my famous, loved by the people. Trap nigga drop, don't get a sequel. I'm flying so top and I'm flying so regal. Colombian nigga who's very bilingual. I told all you niggas, close to real, I'ma float on you. Holy Ghost is never going home on you. Stay on the streets like I'm hoping you. Damn, wait, this dude is different. Tell all people that this man is spitting. Take off the white beat, this shit is hit. Birds is just working, I swear I'm forgiving like fuck. This shit incredible, this shit is fucking incredible, thank you.
We just finished Mike's set. It was incredible.
Incredible.
It was incredible. Yes, you're the best. Love you.
Best I ever had. I'm cool with that. Make no mistakes. I can settle in if you want me there. Every risk I take, I'm not afraid. It's my flesh that's scared. You want me to go through with that? Be my one and only. Fuck a friend, don't want no homies. Just when I fix your and all your hurting. Windows down, fast lanes. Like the wind on my face. We can slide to my place. I tidied up, I made space. Even got your favorite toothpaste. No aluminum. I don't want no homies. Just doing them. Like let go or hold on. I got you, my only one. My one and only. If you want me, I'll be there. I can hold on, I'm not scared. If you want me, let me in. I can hold on, I won't sin, I'm not scared. Loving you. If you want me, I'll be there. I can.
Okay, the show is done. It was cool. It was good. Listen, I don't normally consider myself a tough critic of myself. I think it's been a while since I've done the show. The feedback was great. I think everyone loved it. As a performer, there's two scales. There's how you feel about it and how the audience felt about it. And sometimes the audience feels better about it than you did, and sometimes you feel better about it than the audience. So I think maybe this time the audience feels better about it than I did, but you know, I went out there, did my thing, I was honest. This reminded me that I need to do more and more frequently. So I'm gonna do a bunch more shows. Like, yeah, I'm gonna try to pack it out. Next we got some more stuff coming, but listen, I appreciate y'all, thanks for stopping by. All the other artists there were insane. I don't know what I'm doing here. All the other artists there were insane, so yeah. So that's it, that's my night. I'm gonna get some food, I'm starving, tired, and we'll keep it pushing. Appreciate y'all, peace, have a good one.